That's probably part of what happened to Doug, just feeling it should have done better.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another YouTube episode of Train Frontier Classic. And today, this is the last episode. Episode number 3. And now, we decide to I think build a train bridge that will lead the train to the city, and the train will jump into the city, and it's gonna be epic, as I can tell. I know, my mom and dad are watching TV. Try to ignore that, okay? As the TV says Simpsons. Alright, so first things first is
I had been as big a drug abuser as anybody, and I had
that's weird.
I had never seen Doug do something like that at 9 a.m.
Whoops.
when a business meeting was about to be held. In Hollywood, it's one of those things. They don't care what you do. Just as long as you show up to work and you're okay, then whatever you do in your own time, that's what you do in your own time.
Hello. This is a recorded message from your suicide prevention phone. Now, first of all, why not stop, take a deep breath, and think for a minute. Can things really be all that bad? Sure, the road of life can be pretty bumpy sometimes, but isn't that just part and parcel of that rich tapestry we call living? You know,
that's to the end of the CD.
today is the first day of the rest of your life.
I'm not a doctor.
Alright.
I guess Doug was an addict. He had the disease of addiction. Doug could not be high. Coming out to LA was very bad for Doug. I think cocaine out here was everywhere. And Doug just went for it as hard as anybody has ever gone for it. Doug wasn't as happy as I thought I might be if I had, that kind of success.
Well, you can't be if you take that much coke.
Alright, let's
Because that's all you said.
raise.
You just can't be happy
An emptiness.
taking that much.
It was like a sadness. He was having trouble.
All he does means gone.
And they said, take him away here for a week or something. So Doug and I went off together. I took him to Hawaii. I think that he and Chevy were at that time battling their attraction to drugs. I remember one point we were at a hotel on Maui, like 15th floor. I went to his room until I couldn't take it anymore. I was so depressed. And I went back to my room and I took my boots off and left them right by the fence, the terrace, and then went to sleep. I got sound of somebody falling from the terrace or jumping. And he came running in because I'm hiding. And for a second, he really actually looked. Oh.
It's a sick joke, isn't it?
I'm telling you all this about Doug because I miss him very much. He was my best friend. I had to come back to work finally, back to California. I left him in Hawaii. I got a call from Doug's girlfriend, And he was missing, and did I know where he was? And I had no idea.
One day I was talking to him, the next day he was missing.
Doug being missing, wasn't that unusual?
And
But at the time, it didn't feel right.
Flew back out, found Doug, but he was at the bottom of what they call the Grand Canyon, Kauai.
I think that is looking awesome, my friends. And so,
19 accident.
let's set up our train.
It was expected. It's awful when I got the news, but it was not entirely compatible.
Conductor.
It was a tragic loss. He was the first person I knew that I considered a drug casualty.
Was he stoned and fell off the cliff? Was he suicidal and jumped off the cliff?
And
Or was
so,
he in fact murdered in a drug deal, which a lot of people.
They said that there was a sign that when he died, said to not look down the street. And as soon as I heard that, I just saw Doug read it and say, "You mean here?"
Wrote me the check, but-
that's
Guy in a famous life.
$200, and yeah.
All this I think that he
And, it killed him, so how's that?
I've heard every version of this, and I have no idea.
Miss Miller very brilliantly said Doug was looking for a better place to jump from when he slipped.
Yes.
I reckon that sounds about right,
Yeah.
Doug.
Everybody would have been 40s in American rectorial cars that John was John Hughes wrote a short story, Vacation, in the 80s. I called him in and I said, John, I'm going to make a movie of this.
That's
I think you're on fucking
That's right.
We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park. You want to make a movie?
Yes, lots of that.
You know, every single time.
We're all gonna have so much fucking fun when we need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling Symphony Nuda out of your
I know,
assholes.
guys. My friends, just ignore the swearing TV show that my mom and dad are watching, right? Yeah.
As being present in what has become like
Good for that kid.
Yeah.
He's an audio producer.
It was full of it.
Andrew McCarthy, no.
And yeah, that's goodbye, my friends.